Everyone. So let's talk about the role of B cell and T cells and what is the primary defect. So the B cell and T cells are two types of lymphocytes. The white blood cell, the key players in the adaptive immune response, and they both originate from stem cells in the bone marrow, but their development and functions are different. So the role of B cells are responsible for producing antibodies. These antibodies recognize and bind to specific antigens, marking them to destruction by other immune cells or neutralizing their harmful effects. B cell also play a role in the formation of memory cells, which provide the long-lasting immunity against previously encountered pathogens. The role of the T cells are involved in cell-mediated immunity, which targets infected or abnormal cells directly. There are several types of T cell: helper T cell CD4 plus, cytotoxic T cell CD8 plus, and regulatory T cell. Helper T cell coordinate the immune response by activating other immune cells. But in the other hand, cytotoxic T cell directly kill infected and abnormal cells. Regulatory T cell help maintain immune tolerance and prevent autoimmune reactions. The primary defect in individuals with B cell deficiencies lies in their inability to produce functional antibodies. Without sufficient antibody production, these individuals have difficulty in effectively combating bacterial infections. Antibodies play a really important role in opsonization, marking pathogens for destruction, neutralization of toxins, and complement activation, all of which are essential for defense against bacterial invaders. So conversely, individuals with T cell deficiencies have impaired cell immediate immunity, marking them more susceptible to viral infections. Without functional T cell, the body cannot mount an effective response against virus-infected cells. So cytotoxic T cells are particularly important in recognizing and destroying virus-infected cells, thereby controlling viral infections. So example of B cell deficiency disease is CVID, which is the common variable immunodeficiency.